is October 25th, Friday. It's about 15 minutes till 7. Make this short and sweet. It's breaking good daylight. We got in here in plenty of time. Took our time coming in. Me and Jacob, my nephew, slipped in here this morning going to hunt the spot where I did the saw leg earlier in the summer. Y'all seen on the video we had posted. But gonna see if he can't get his first deer with a bow. I've been getting pictures of a bunch of does here early in the morning. Had one really nice buck, a couple other small basket bugs and some spikes. So we're gonna get quiet here and get settled in. See what shows up. Stick with us. Say hey, Jake. Get on her, get on her. Let's give it. Okay. That hurts, don't it? You never know, though. They could come feeding back. That wind died down, I think, is what hurt us. I think they was spraying before they got here, too, kind of. Yeah. The rain has set in on us, so don't like my camera equipment being out in the rain, so I'm fixing to load up. Try to see if we can't slip out of here. The deer ended up just slipping on out back the way they came. But definitely be back in here at some point. They're coming in here, so that's a good sign. My camera checked it yesterday evening up here. Coming. We got a deer coming in. Stay ready. Stay ready. She might come this way, Jake. Well, once again, big doe come through there. She skirted us, slipped on down the mountain below us, and it's starting to rain pretty hard here. Me and Jake's gonna try to get everything packed up and see if we can't get out of here without spooking anything. We will be back at some point if something don't happen, and try it again right here. So, stick with us, more to come. Thanks for watching. Good evening. Getting a late start. But I done had one deer spook when I was trying to get settled up. It is November the 1st. It's about probably 4:30 in the evening. But I just seen that deer a few seconds ago again. It looked like it was turning, coming back my way, so I'm gonna get quiet, see what happens. I'm back in the same place where me and my nephew hunted the other morning and had those two come in and he couldn't get a shot. So stick with me. Maybe I can make this happen. Yeet. Yeet. He was right here, 10 yards. He's not a big one, but I'll take him for sure. Trying to be quiet because still a little bit for dark. And that other spike that was with him, I don't know where he went, but he's not far here. I don't know if you've seen the first shot, but it looked like I smoked him. But he was still standing. Watched him for a while there. Standing over in the thick stuff, stumbling around like he's barely standing. And then he started coming back down the hill, so I'm like, if he gives me another shot, I'm gonna shoot him again. Sure don't want to track one all over the place, even though I felt like it was a good shot. You still want to make sure, if you can get another shot, put him down. I can't help it. With a bow, it's hard to pass up the first buck of the year like that. I know there's bigger deer in here, but I'm a Bama boy. I don't get opportunities like that much. All right, just got out of my tree. I'm fixing to walk up here to my first tire and get it. I'm gonna step it off, see how far it is, and then we'll walk over here and check this deer out. I'm at my tree here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. About 18 steps from my tree. Only thing I can figure is he took a step. He must have took a step when I shot, because I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's glaring real bad. Arrow's got a little bit of green on it, and it smells like gut. So I guess he took a step as I shot or something. I don't know. Anyhow, he's down. That's the main thing. All right. He ducked a little when I shot, I think. I think I hit him right dead in the shoulder that last shot. Well, there he is. 6-pointer with no brow tines. He's pretty. Awesome shot coming. Oh, that's where it went in. Wow. Shot him very low. Very low. I mean, let's set this bow down. I'll turn him over. Shot him right in the shoulder. The second shot downed him for sure. For sure. Run that broadhead. But anyway, he is down for the count for sure. One good thing is my drag is all downhill, but I got a long way to go, so well, here we are, guys, back at the truck. got nobody here to help me video or nothing. Doing it all solo, but as you can see, I got him loaded up here, and I'm tickled. I'm tickled over him. I don't reckon I've ever killed a 6-pointer with no brows, but he's pretty, very pretty. But now I'm gonna focus on some big daddies for the rest of the season. I got 2 left on my tags, and hopefully gonna kill some more does with my bow. This is only my 2nd deer on video, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I know he's not no monster by no means, and a lot of people probably would frown on shooting him, but like I said, this is my 2nd video, and pretty proud of myself. I've enjoyed it. I've had some moments whenever I wondered if it was really even worth even trying to do, but times like this right here, it pays off and makes me want to just keep doing it. So thanks for watching. Maybe you'll see me on another one here for long. It's starting to turn off cold here in Alabama. Maybe we'll have some more content coming from Ben and Zach. They are hunting in Indiana this week. Got some bucks on camera up there, and hopefully we can hear some good news from them here in a little while. I think they're staying till tomorrow sometime, but I think they hunted yesterday, today, and gonna hunt tomorrow. So stick with us. Maybe we'll have something coming from them too. Thanks for watching.